Welcome to my channel, Apex Motorhome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Imagine pulling into a campground and watching every conversation stop because a Mercedes Motorhome that reportedly carries a $55 million vision quietly rolls beside you. Today, we're exploring what makes this extraordinary concept so unforgettable. Before we begin, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which luxury feature impresses you most, because the surprises only keep growing. The cinematic journey begins on the first floor, where the entrance immediately feels closer to an exclusive penthouse than a traditional recreational vehicle. A sophisticated lounge welcomes guests with premium seating, elegant finishes, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. Nearby, the drawing room creates a refined place for conversations or entertaining visitors, while a dedicated office provides privacy for remote work on the road. Fitness enthusiasts discover a fully equipped gym, followed by a peaceful massage area designed for relaxation after long drives. A carefully organized medication room keeps health essentials accessible, while an imaginative kids playing area gives younger travelers their own exciting space. Everything is connected through an advanced smart technology system controlling lighting, climate, entertainment, and security from intuitive touch panels. If this opening level already feels extraordinary, wait until you discover what waits upstairs. Moving to the second floor, the atmosphere becomes even more personal and luxurious. The gourmet kitchen combines premium appliances with generous preparation space, allowing meals worthy of a fine restaurant. Just beyond, the formal dining area transforms every breakfast, lunch, or dinner into an elegant occasion with spectacular exterior views. The spacious master bedroom offers comfort expected from a 5-star suite, while a beautifully finished bathroom adds privacy and convenience without sacrificing style. Hidden nearby, a couple's private room creates an intimate retreat designed for peaceful moments away from everything outside. Every detail emphasizes comfort instead of excess, but the next level raises expectations even further. The third floor introduces entertainment and hospitality on an entirely different scale. Guests are welcomed into a beautifully appointed guest bedroom that delivers hotel-level comfort for family or friends traveling together. Nearby, an indoor swimming pool creates an astonishing centerpiece rarely associated with motorhomes, proving how ambitious luxury RV concepts have become. Around the corner, a stylish minibar encourages casual gatherings before the excitement continues inside a dedicated dance party club where music, lighting, and atmosphere transform evenings into unforgettable celebrations. Just when you think every incredible feature has been revealed, one final destination remains. Climb the final stairs and the rooftop deck delivers the unforgettable finale. Comfortable seating, open skies, and breathtaking panoramic views create the perfect place to watch mountain sunsets, sparkling coastlines, or glittering city skylines while enjoying complete freedom. Whether parked beside national parks, scenic highways, or luxury RV resorts across America, this elevated retreat reminds travelers that the destination can be just as rewarding as the journey itself. It's important to remember that ultra-luxury motorhome concepts often combine visionary design ideas with features that may evolve before production, and pricing or availability can change significantly. Even so, innovations introduced through ambitious concepts frequently influence future premium RVs that eventually reach real buyers. That's exactly why vehicles like this capture worldwide attention and inspire passionate conversations among travelers, designers, and automotive enthusiasts alike. Beyond the luxurious rooms, the overall experience is about freedom. Drivers would likely appreciate commanding visibility, refined ergonomics, and the confidence associated with Mercedes engineering traditions, although exact production specifications should always be verified through official sources. Owners searching for ultimate comfort often compare premium motorhomes with luxury yachts and private jets, yet the greatest advantage remains waking up beside America's most spectacular landscapes without constantly unpacking and repacking luggage. Every stop becomes a front-row seat to changing scenery, whether crossing desert highways, alpine passes, coastal routes, or vibrant downtown districts. That emotional connection explains why luxury RV enthusiasts eagerly follow every new concept announcement. Even viewers who never plan to own something this extravagant can still appreciate the creativity, craftsmanship, and engineering ambition behind these rolling showcases of innovation. They encourage manufacturers across the industry to rethink layouts, improve efficiency, introduce smarter technology, and elevate everyday travel experiences. As competition grows, everyone benefits from better ideas reaching future production models. And that's why this remarkable tour matters beyond simple luxury. It offers a glimpse into where recreational travel could be heading next. Stay with us because the next video explores another unbelievable American motorhome pushing expectations even further, with surprising design choices you absolutely have to see. If you enjoyed this exclusive luxury RV tour, subscribe now because we're bringing even more incredible American motorhomes, futuristic campers, and groundbreaking automotive innovations you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments whether this Mercedes masterpiece truly changes everything, or if another dream motorhome deserves the crown.